It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
DePaula Chevrolet is your Albany Chevrolet dealership. We're conveniently located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.